So with all the increased funding we've seen in MRI, we've seen some incredible falls in waiting times. Patients were at one point waiting up over 1 year and sometimes up to 2 years for MRIs, whereas now we're getting all patients scanned within a month and sometimes within a few days in certain cases. Another great improvement we've seen is in the operating hours for the scanner. We're now operating the scanner most nights after 10 o'clock in the evening and also weekends, and this allows patients much greater choice.
Yeah, so in all of the activity that was my life, I was sitting in an oncologist's office asking for further testing, and he's telling me, well, I'd like to do an MRI, but an MRI, the wait list will probably be about 3 or 6 weeks. He told me 6 weeks, and which was kind of discouraging because everything that was happening to me was intensive and it was all happening really quickly. But I really wanted to have the test. So he agreed to book it for me. And that was on a Friday, and on the Monday I realized I was going to have to cancel an appointment for the following week with a different oncologist. So I phoned them and I canceled my appointment for the following week, and 15 minutes later I got a call from the MRI booking office, and they told me that they wanted me in the next day in the evening, and I was dumbfounded because I was expecting it to be a 6-week wait for this appointment. The icing on the cake for that was that the results of my test resulted in a whole different direction for my treatment, and it was able to happen quickly, the change of direction. And that was happy news for me.